How's it going, everybody? It is now post-election, and as per previous videos, as expected, the price action has moved onwards to the top right of the chart. So, currently we've broken the Bitcoin all-time high, placed at 70, approximately 74,000, and we're trading at 76.1 thousand United States dollars, which is pretty good. I've got an orange line here, which is another resistance point which Bitcoin stopped at and has broken through. So we're essentially in price discovery now. We might see some volatility here where Bitcoin goes around, or it just keeps going completely upwards until there's some sort of consolidation, right? Now, why am I making this video? Everybody can see the price action is going up and likely to go further up from my assessment for the next at least 2 months, right, into the later half of December. How high that goes, I'm not entirely sure. We'll just have to assess the situation as it moves along, but assuming that this is the expansion phase of this compression or consolidation phase, it's likely to go, quite high, potentially closer to 100k or above 100k. In saying that, I know that some people might be underexposed, so I want to go over some strategies which you can utilize in order to maximize potential profits, because as this confirmation of a breakout has been confirmed, especially on Sol, obviously Bitcoin, you can even see a bounce on Ethereum from that level that we saw as support from here over to here, right? And it has broken out of a long-term channel that has been set since the March correction. So I want to go towards Sol because it is a stronger asset, performing asset within this market, and pretty much look at the strategies we can implement in order to maximize our profits with a high strike rate, because you can literally bid the Sol price action with a generous stop loss, 9%, and come out the other end with a lot of money with low capital, should it be the parabolic move. Cool. So what am I going to do? Let's have a look at the charts here. Maybe I have it set up already in this. I do. Let's have a look at Sol from this breakout using my indicator from this point to this point, implementing the 8-minute indicator, so 8-minute trigger. So pretty much if you were to bid the 8-minute all the way up, how much profit would you have on, let's say, an account size of 3,000? Maybe we can even reduce it to 2,000, right? 2,000 USD account size, and you're assuming the breakout has commenced. Let's go to the strategy here. Stop loss 9, pyramiding orders 100, so just keep on bidding as the price action goes up. And I will change these to the dates that we see there. So October would be the 10th of the 15th, and December be the 12th. Just 20 seconds. Cool. All right, that's done now. I want to go to this point of the chart here. So it's not taking into account everything up here. It's just everything up to that point. Now, let's go to 8 minutes, and we can see the trades being taken on the chart here, but that's not what we're interested in. We're interested in the results, right? So should you utilize this with $2,000, implementing a 9% stop loss, you can actually accrue up to, or gain up to 26,000% or 520,000 US dollar profit. Cool. That's pretty awesome. So now that we have that time frame out the way, you might be wondering, oh, does it work on other parabolic moves? And the answer to that is yes. So let's go over to the breakout, the last breakout in 2021 before the bear market occurred, all the way up to this point before the correction occurs. So same thing again. 2021. June 7:30. Apologies, I'm bad with my dates, hey. 9/04/21. Cool. I'm pretty sure that's correct. Now let's go to this bar here, turn on 8, and it will be calculating the strategy from those times as well. Why isn't it showing up? Let's see what's going on here. It should show up now. No data. Why is that? Strategy did not generate orders throughout the testing map. That's really odd. Let's adjust the parameters around, like so. Okay, now it has a place to close the actual trade. So it doesn't calculate up to here, it closes the trades here. And in this circumstance, it has a 100% strike rate, so it never gets stopped out. And from the $2,000, you can generate up to $300,000, right? So you're risking a very, like, this is literally like a high return, low risk methodology with an incredibly good strike rate, assuming that you can time or at least start the indicator around the start of the macro uptrend, right? Now, let's just zoom out as well and try one more just so we can, confirm that this isn't blind luck. Obviously, the the uptrend here is pretty strong, and we can also do the same thing here as well. So I don't really need to show any more of this. It works in this trend here as well in the same way. And I've calculated that 2,000 initial capital, 7,000 each order lot works best. The indicator itself is available to anybody. Just drop your TradingView username in the description and I'll give you access to it. And in future, this will be something that I will charge a monthly fee for, but I do want people to get access to this and try it out for themselves.